Yes, hi everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. And in last class, we are discussed about the arithmetic progression. So today we are discussing the previous year questions on arithmetic progression because it is important to know that which type of questions will ask in the exam. So in about 3 to 4 months, you are going to write your final examination. That's why it is now very important to discuss the previous year question. Okay, so previous year questions ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್? So if you go through the previous year questions, you know that how they will frame the question, and how they will ask the question. So then your mind will stick on that for the formulas and the concept. Then you can easily crack the exams and the particular questions. So it is important to solve the previous year questions, and mainly in arithmetic progression they will ask MCQs, 1 mark question, 2 marks question, 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks questions. So we can discuss all about them. So we will start the session. So before entering into the session, I will summarize the formulas which we are discussed in the last class. So after the summarization of the formulas, we can go through the one by one formulas. So I am discussing the model question papers questions and final examination questions and some preparatory questions also in this session. So stay throughout the session to solve all the questions of arithmetic progression. So come to the forms of arithmetic progression. Okay, first you know that general form of arithmetic progression. Okay, what is the general form of the arithmetic progression? A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, comma, up to so on. So this is the general form of the arithmetic progression. Okay, then after the general form, what you should know? You should know the common difference. Common difference. Common difference. Generally in arithmetic progression, common difference is denoted with a D. Common difference is denoted with a D. So how to find the common difference? An minus An minus 1. Second term minus first term, you will get the common difference. Or third term minus second term, you will get the common difference. So after the common difference, what you should know? You should know the nth term formula. Nth term formula. What is nth term formula? An is equals to a plus n minus n minus 1 into d. Okay, suppose if they given the arithmetic progression, suddenly they will ask to find the ninth term. Ninth term means then you have to substitute the n value 9. N is equals to 9. So you can get the a9. So easily you can find the ninth term of the sequence. Okay, next after nth term, we can go for sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. What is sum of n terms? There are two formulas for sum of n terms formula. There are two formulas. What are those? Sn. So sum of n terms formulas is denoted with Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the first formula, and also this is the first formula, and also or we have another formula which is very beautiful. It will easily help you to solve the questions. Okay, that what is the second formula? Sn is equals to n by 2 sum of a1 plus last term, sum of first term and the last term. You will get the total number of terms sum. So these are the required formulas to solve the arithmetic progression. So we can use these formulas to solve all the ಯಾವುದೇ questions ಕೇಳಿ, arithmetic progression ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ questions ಕೇಳಿ. So these are the formulas are enough to solve the question. So So in general form, what is the first term? So A. So this was the first term T1. What is the second term? This was second term T2. So this was the third term T3. This was the fourth term T4. So we can observe carefully T1. What is T1? A. What is T2? A plus 1D. A plus 1D. What is T3? A plus 2D. So observe carefully. Third term ittu andre you will get the 2D. Fourth term ittu andre you will get the 3D. Fourth term is equals to A plus 3D. So these are the basic requirement to solve the question, and also we discussed in the previous session also. Okay. So now I will go to the previous year questions. Previous year questions. Question. So this question was asked two times in 2019 and 2020. So what I am going to explain now, that question will asked in two times. In 2019 also they asked, in 2020 also they asked. What is the question? The arithmetic, the nth term of a, the nth term of a arithmetic of a arithmetic progression is an is equals to 4 into n square minus 1. 4 into n square minus 1. Find the eighth term. Find the eighth term. So they will also give the option because this question was MCQ. So what are the option? 14, 24, 55 and 56. So they given a nth term. They given the nth term. An is equals to 4 into n square minus 1. We have to find the eighth term. We have to find the eighth term. So what is n value here? What is n value? N value is 8. So we want to find AH. AH. N value is 8. So is equals to n plus n substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 8 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 4 into n plus n substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 8 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ with square minus 1. So 4 as it is. What is 8 square? What is 8 square? 8 square is 64. 64 minus 1. So multiply ಮಾಡಿ 4 into 64. Tell me in the comment section 4 into 64. 4 into 64. 4 into 64. You can easily solve. You can easily solve. Okay, आराम से solve ಮಾಡೋಣ 4 into 64. 4 into 64. So 4 4s are 16. 1 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. So 256 minus 1. So what are the 256 minus 1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 255. Okay, here 2's are missing. Okay, so what is the answer? 255. Which option? Option C. So 255 is the right answer. So this is the eighth term. We got the eighth term. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we move on to the next question. Move on to the next question. Okay. Next question. If 4 comma x comma 10, 4 comma x comma 10 are in AP, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Okay, so this question was asked in 2021. This question was asked in 2021. So 4 comma x comma 10 are in AP. So you have to find the x value. So very easily you can solve the question. You know that in arithmetic progression difference is same. Difference is same. So you have to use the topic. So this is the term 1. This is the term 2. This is the term 3. How to find the difference? T2 minus T1. How to find the difference? T3 minus T2. So difference should be same, you know that. Difference should be same. So T2 minus T1. So x minus 4. X minus 4. Second term minus first term is always equal to the third term minus second term. What is third term? 10 minus what is second term? X. Okay, so then you can easily solve the x value. So minus x left side bantu andre it will be plus x. Already one x is there. Next is equals to 10 minus 4 will go to the right side, it become plus 4. X plus x is 2x. 10 plus 4 is 14. So x value is 14 by 2. Obviously x value is 7. So you got the x value easily. So this is the x value. So this question was asked in 2021. Okay, very good, very good. Many of students are answering the question. Next question, we will move on to the next question. Okay, so this question was asked in 2022. Next question was asked in 2022. So what was the question? How many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3? Read the question carefully. They are asking two-digit numbers. Which should be divisible by 3. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? 2-digit ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ 2-digit ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವಿಸಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ? 12, 15, 18 ಆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. So what are the numbers? Can I take 3? 3 is divisible by 3, but I should not take 3 because they are asking the two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers so 3 inda divisible agbeku. So I should not take 3. Can I take 6? No. 6 is also not possible because this is a single digit number. They are asking two-digit numbers. So where I should start? 3, 6, 9. 9 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12. 9 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12. So 12 is a two-digit number and it is also divisible by 3. So after 12, which is the number? 15. After 15, which is the number? 18. Up to so on. So 3 multiples 30 barutte, 60 barutte, 90 barutte. After 90, what number will come? 93. 93 after that 96. 96 after that 99. After 99 you will get 102. It is 3-digit number. So don't require 3-digit number. So 99 is the last number. So 99. This is the AP we got. What we have to find? The number of digits which are divisible by 3. So tell me now, what is the first term? 12. What is the first term? 12. Difference. Second term minus first term. Third term minus second term. 15 minus 12. How much? 3. 18 minus 15. How much? 3. Okay. Then last term. What is the last term they given? 99. Nth term. Last term they given 99. So we have to find how many numbers. So we are using the formula. Previously I discussed an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? An is 99. An is 99. Okay. Is equals to what is a? First term 12 plus n. We don't know n. So we have to find the n value only. So substitute n like this only. N minus 1 into what is the d? Difference 3. So solve madi. 99 is equals to 12 plus multiply the 3. You will get the 3n minus 3. 3n minus 3. Okay. After this one 99 is equals to 3n 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 99 minus 9 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 90, which is equals to 3n. So we want to find the n value. So 90 divided by 3. 3 ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 9 and 0 as it is. How many terms? How many terms which are divisible by 3? 30 terms which are divisible by 3, and that numbers are 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. N is equals to 30 we got. N is equals to 30 we got. Okay, everyone, I think everyone enjoying the class. Yes. Okay, so this was the 2022 questions. Slowly we are discussing the topics, next questions. Okay, so some are answering the questions. Okay, very good, very good, very good. We move on to the next question. Next question. Determine AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, so this was the question. All of you read the question. What they are asking? They are asking to find the AP. Determine AP whose third term is 16. Third term ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Third term is 16 and also they given seventh term exceeds. This word is very important. Exceeds. Okay. Okay. This word is very important. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. First we have to find the AP. AP find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು finally. So ಅದು finally find out ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Third term is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So A3. What is A3 they given? A3 is equals to 16. Third term A3 is equals to 16. Third term they given 16. So third term. So in general form, what is the form? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D. So which is the third term? Itar hogta hogutala. Which is the third term? This was the first term, second term, third term. What is third term? A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equals to they given 16. So this was taken as equation 1. This was taken as equation 1 and they given the very beautiful thing, seventh term A7, seventh term is exceeds the fifth term, means A5. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by the 12. ಸೊ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬರು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿಂತ 12 ನಂಬರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ exceeds by 12. So that's why I am taking A7 is equals to A5 plus A12. So A7, how to write A7 in the general form? A7 is equals to A plus 6D. A plus 6D, which is equals to, what is A5? A5 is equals to A plus 4D. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 1 D ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 1 D ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 6D. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ A gets cancelled. A gets cancelled. Next, what is the remaining terms? 6D, which is equals to 4D plus 12. Finally, what we are going to find? We are going to find the AP. So AP ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ what should we have? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಎ ಪಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ 6D is equals to 4D plus 12. ಸೊ 4Dನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. 6D minus 4D, how much? 2D. 2d is equals to 12. 2d is equals to 12, which implies 2 ones are 2 6 are. What is d value? D is equals to 6 you got. D is equals to 6 you got. So difference ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Next ನಮಗಿನ ಏನು ಬೇಕು a value ಬೇಕು, means first term ಬೇಕು. So substitute d value in the equation 1. Substitute d value in the equation 1. Then what you are getting? A plus 2. What is d value? D value is 6. I am substituting in the d value in place of 6. Okay, is equals to 16. A 2 into 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 12, which is equals to 16. A is equals to 12 na right side send ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 16 minus 12. What you are getting? 4. A is equals to 4. Yes, very good. We got the first term and also the difference. We got the first term and also the difference. Okay. So what is the first term? 4. So next AP ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ difference ನ add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. So 4 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 10. 4 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 10. Again 10 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 10 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 16. Again 16 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 22. Again 22 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 28. This is the required up to so on. This is the required PP they want. Okay. So this is also very beautiful question, and based on these concepts only in your final examination you will get the questions, then you will be very happy. Okay. Look into the solution. Okay. Yes. Next question. This question was asked in 2022. This question was asked in 2022. Find the how many terms of the sequence or series, no problem, some plus ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ series 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to so on to get the sum 165. All of you read the question correctly? Yes. Okay. Find how many terms. They are asking how many. They are asking how many questions, how many terms, like that. How many terms means we have to find the n value. First what we have to find? N value. We have to find the n value. ಯಾವ series ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ sequence ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ series ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so they given the arithmetic progression. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ terms ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 165 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So we have to find the n value. Means ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್ 165 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಅನದರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ 3 6 9. ಸೊ 9 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 15. 15 plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? 18. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಸ್ 165 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ n terms. So what is first term? A is equals to 3. First term is denoted in A. A is equals to 3. What is the difference? Easily you can find. What is the difference? 6 minus 3. 3. 9 minus 6. 3. Difference was same. So also they given the sum here. Sn. Sn is equals to 165. Sn they given 165. What we have to find? We have to find the n value. So we are using here Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find the n value. So they given Sn value. What is Sn? 165 is equals to, we don't know n. We don't know n. That's why I am substituting n as it is, divided by 2. 2 into what is a? A is the first term. So what is first term? 3 plus we don't know n value, n minus 1. What is the difference? 3. Okay, so solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. So we can do cross multiplication here. We can do cross multiplication. I am multiplying this 2 to this term 165. So 2 into 165 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Easily 330. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಚ್ಚಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 330 ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 2 into 165 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? 330, which is equals to n into 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 plus 3 multiply ಮಾಡಿ, then what you are getting? 3n minus 3 multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3, that's it. 3 into n 3n, 3 ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3. So this is the up to the step. So then what you are going to do? So 330 as it is equals to n as it is. So this 3n as it is. What is 6 minus 3? What is 6 minus 3? 6 minus 3 is 3. Simply 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. So then after this one, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So 330 is equals to, so ಇಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಇದೆ. So I am taking 3 common, this n as it is, n as it is. Then what you are getting? 3 common outside ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು? n. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು? +1. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 3ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ 3 1s are 3 1s are, so 3 1s are 3 zeros are. So 330 divided by 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 110, 110, which is equals to n into n plus 1. So 110 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀರಾ? ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ 10 into 11, 10 into 11 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, which is equals to n into n plus 1. So compare both the equation. LHS is, compare both LHS and RHS. So you easily get the n value. LHS ಮತ್ತು RHS compare ಮಾಡಿ. So this was 10, this was n. Plus 1 add ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ. So 10 plus 1 11, n plus 1 as it is ಇದೆ. So by combining these two, by comparing LHS and RHS, we can easily conclude n is equals to 10. We can easily conclude n is equals to 10. So how many terms? You should add 10 terms. You should add the first 10 terms of this arithmetic progression to get the sum 165. To get the sum 165. Okay, we can do by quadratic equation also. It takes lot of time. We can do by quadratic equation also. Lot of time ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, no problem. Okay, yes. Yes, very good. Quadratic equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ -11 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -11 ನ ನಾವು ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸಮ್ 50 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. -50 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? -50 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. Go through the solution once. Yes. Next question. So we can write it in. This question was asked in 2022. Okay. Check whether 130 is a term in the arithmetic progression. I will write in the abbreviation arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11. All of you read the question. Yes. So check whether 130 is a term. They given one term 130 is a term in the AP 3, 7, 11. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು AP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. AP ಏನಿದೆ? 3, 7, 11, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 15, 19 ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 130 ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? 10 ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. 15 ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, 15 ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 11 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 15 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 28 ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ತರ 130 ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಈ ತರ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 130 ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎನ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 ಈ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 130 ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 10th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 12th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ 3/4th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 3/4 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 10th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ 10/2 10/6 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 10/9th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಫ್ n ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು z, n is a integer, then 130 is in the sequence. If n does not belongs to z, then 130 is not in the sequence. ಈ ತರ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. What is the first term? What is the first term? A is equals to 3. First term is 3. What is the difference? What is the difference? आराम से solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 7 minus 3 4. Next to 11 minus 7 4. Difference. That's why it is name called common difference. Difference ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. D is equals to 4. Next they given the last term, nth term 130. So what we are going to find here? N value. If n is integer, 130 is in the sequence. If n is not an integer, 130 is not in the sequence. So we have the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. ಸುಮಾರು ಸಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ an is equals to 130, which is equals to, what is a? First term 3 plus what is n? We don't know, we are going to find that one only. So n minus 1. What is the difference? Difference is 4. So solve ಮಾಡಿ. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಕತೆ, ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, 130 which is equals to 3 plus 4 multiply ಮಾಡಿ, then what you are getting? 4n. 4n. So 4 again multiply ಮಾಡಿ, minus 4. Okay, so 130 which is equals to 4n. Okay, 3 minus 4. What is 3 minus 4? 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus 1 ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 131. 131. 131 is equals to 4n. So what is n value? n is equals to 131 divided by 4. 131 divided by 4. So 4 ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ, you will get 131 divided by 4. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 4, 40, 80, 120. ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 120 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 124, 128, 128 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 132 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 131 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವಿಸಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ n does not belongs to integer. So 130 is not in this sequence ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ n should not belong, n is not an integer. That's why 130 is not in this sequence. 130 is not in this sequence. Okay, so this is about the solution of 2022 question. So look at the question, look at the answers carefully, take the time. Yes, next question, very easy question. Very easy question, you can do. Find the sum of first 15 terms of the sequence 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to so on by using suitable by using suitable formula. Okay, they are telling that by using suitable formula anta kottidare. So tell me, what is the formula here we are going to use? Which formula? Nth term or Sn? Nth term, nth formula or Sn formula? N formula or Sn formula? Tell me in the comment section. Nth formula or Sn formula? Yes, everyone bega. Yes, very good. Sn, easy question, very easy question. So Sn formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ. So very good. Sn, what is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this was a formula here we are using. So what is the first term? A is equals to 3. Okay, what is the difference? Everyone knows 6 minus 3, 3. Difference everyone knows 9 minus 6, 3. So difference same barta ide. Then how many terms we should add? We should add 15 terms. Means n value they given 15. Ella values sikkide. N value gottide, a value gottide, so d value gottide. We have to find the Sn value, means sum of 15 terms. We have to find S15, which is equals to, so from here onwards, that is your work to find the answer. You have time. Bega solve ಮಾಡಿ, answer ಮಾಡಿ. S15. Substitute n value, d value, a value in the formula. You'll get the answer. Some are telling right answer 360, some are telling 345. Verify once. Who are telling 345? Verify your answers. 345, verify your answers. Solve and tell me the answer. Don't sit quiet. Yes, 360, very good. Now you came to the conclusion. Very good. So n is equals to 15 divided by 2. 2 into what is a value? 3 plus n value is 15 minus 1. What is d value? D value is 3. Okay, after solving this one, you can easily get the answer. 15 by 2 as it is. 2 3s are 6 plus 15 minus 1. What is 15 minus 1? 14. 14 3s are 14 3s are 14 3s. What is 14 3s are? 14 3s are S 42. Then what is the next? 15 by 2, write LHS also, S15, which is equals to 15 by 2, 6 plus 42. 6 plus 42, what you are getting? 48. Next, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then S15 is equals to 15 into 24. So what is 15 into 24? 360. Multiply matter will get the easily answer. 15 into 24 is 360. Okay, once go through the, very good 360. S. Okay, so this was the solution. Go through the solution once. Yes. Next question. Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term from the last term. From the last term of the sequence 3 comma 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma up to so on 253. Okay, so all of you read the question. They are asking 20th term. 20th term. Very importantly, they are asking from the last term. So we have to find the 20th term from which side? Last time. Ulta. Ee tara find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So to solve this question, we have a logic. So what is that logic? Logic. So what is that logic? So we have to find the 20th term from the last term. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, easily we can solve using the formula, but they are asking from the last term. So last term ಇಂದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ write the sequence ulta. Okay, then what you are getting? 253 comma up to so on ಏನಿದೆ 3 comma 8 comma 30. So this is the required sequence. Now you can easily find the a value. What is a? A is the first term. So what is first term they are given? 253. Then we have to find the difference. So what is the difference? Last term, second term minus first term. So 3 minus 8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will become wrong. So you should do 8 minus 3. You should do 8 minus 3. Okay. So ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಿ 253 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 13 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 13 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 8 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 8 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ 3 minus 8 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? -5. 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13 ಕೂಡ -5. ಸೊ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೀರಿ. 253 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 13 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 8 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 3. So make the difference. 8 minus 13. What is -5? 3 minus 8. What you get? -5. So this is a value. This is difference. A value ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, difference ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 20th term ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They are asking the 20th term. So 20th term ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 20th term ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Very easy. They given n is equals to 20. So use the an formula. What is an formula? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find the 20th term, a 20. We have to find the 20th term, a 20. What is a? 253 plus what is n? 20 minus 1. What is the difference? What is the difference? -5. What is the difference? -5. 253 plus 20 minus 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? 19 into 20 minus 1 is 19. So this was -5. This was -5. Then after this one, a20 is equals to 253 as it is. 253 as it is. Plus into minus, minus. 19 into 5. What is 19 into 5? 19 into 5. 19 into 5, 95. Plus into minus, minus. 19 into 5 is 95. So tell me 253 minus 95. Yes, some are telling the answers already. 158, very good. 158, 158, yes, 158. So 158 was the right answer. 158 was the right answer. Very good, very good. Go through the solution once. Yes. Next question. Okay, this question was also asked in some 2022 question, and this was a 3 marks question. Yes, very good, very good. We can go to the next question. So this was a 3 marks question. What is the question? The sum of first 9 terms of the sum of first 9 terms of an AP is 144, 144, and ninth term and ninth term is 28. Ninth term is 28. Find the first term, find the first term and common difference. Find first term and common difference of AP. So this was a question which is a previous year question they asked. Okay, they asked in 2022 March. 2022 March. So read the question carefully. What they given? The sum of first 9 terms. The sum of first 9 terms of an AP. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 144. The sum of the first 9 terms of an AP is 144, and ninth term what they given 28. Ninth term ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 28. What we have to find? We have to find the first term and the common difference. What is first term? A. What is common difference? D. Okay, so given ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 9 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 144. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ SN. ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 144. ಅಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ S9. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ S9. because sum of first 9 terms anta kottidare. S9 is kottidare 144, and also they given ninth term is 28. means they given ninth term is kottidare 28. What we have to find? We have to find the first term is A value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and the common difference find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? We have the two formulas for SN. We have two formulas for SN. What is the second formula? Sn, which is equals to n by 2 into A plus L, or A1 plus L means last term, A1 plus AN. Okay, last term. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. L means last term, AN means also last term. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೀರಿ. We have to find the A1 means first term. So this was the AN, last term. Okay, what is SN? Means S9. We know that the number of terms is 9 here. So S9, which is equals to n plus L in 9 divided by 2. We have to find the first term A as it is plus last term. Ninth term is the last term only. So 28. I am substituting in place of AN 28. So AN place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 28 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Okay, so we have to find the first term. Means we have to find this A value. ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? They also given S9 is 144. So S9, substitute the value of S9 144, which is equals to 9 by 2 into A plus 28. So next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So 2 ನ cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ, 2 ನ 144 ಜೊತೆ cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ, then what you are getting? 2 ನ 144 ಜೊತೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 2 4s 8, 2 4s 8, which is equals to 9 into A plus 28. Okay, then 9 ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ, then what you are getting? ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ. ಸೊ 9 1s 9 3s 27. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 28 ಇದೆ. So 9 3s 27. 1 is the remainder. So that's it become 18. So now 9 2s 18. 9 2s 18, which is equals to A plus 28. So 28 na left side karkondu hogi, then what you are getting? So 32 minus 28, which is equals to A. What is A value? A value is 32 minus 28, 4. This is the A value we got. All of you okay? All of you okay? Yes, yes, very good, very good. Next, ಇನ್ನು ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Common difference, everyone tell me common difference. Common difference, yes, very good. Some are telling the answer. Common difference, I want common difference. Common difference, common difference. Okay, some are telling the answers, very good, very good. D is equals to 3. Some are telling D is equals to 3. Some are telling 24. We will check the answer. Okay, so D is equals to 3 is the maximum answer. D is equals to 3 is the maximum answer. Okay, we will check. A n. So n is number of terms 9. So this was A9. What is A9? They given 28. A9 they given 28 is equals to, what is A first term? Just only we got 4 plus number of terms n means 9 minus 1. What is D? We should find D value, we should find. So solve. So solve what you are getting. Solve what you are getting. So 28 is equals to 4. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8D. Okay. So then 24 na left side kalsi, 28 minus 4 will become 24, which is equals to 8D. 8 ones are 8 threes are. So D is equals to 3. Easily we got the answer. D is equals to 3. Yes, very good, very good. So this is about the question. This is about the question. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Go through the solution once. Yes. Next question. Yes, this was also previous year question. This was a preparatory question. In 2022 Karnataka government will ask this. ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೇ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, find the sum of multiple. Find the sum of multiple of 4. Find the sum of multiple of 4 from 10 to 250. 10 to 250. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the sum of multiple of 4. We have to find the sum of multiple of 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 10 to 250. 10 to 250 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ 4, 8. 4 is a multiple of 4. 8 is a multiple of 4. But we should not take. We should take from the 10 to 250. ಹಾಗಂತ 10 ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? 10 ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? No, 10 should also not take, because 10 is not a multiple of 2. Multiple of 4. 10 is not a multiple of 4. From which number we have to take? 4. After 4, 8. After 8 we got 12. So from 12 only we should start. From 12 only we should start. After 12, which is the number multiple of 4? 16. Okay, after 16, which is the number multiple of 4? 20. Up to so on, Tell me the last digit in the comment section. Tell me the last digit. What digit? Tell me the last digit which is a multiple of 4 and less than 250, less than or equal to 250. Yes, 248. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. 248. So nodi 20. So after 20, so multiples of 4, 40 barutte, 60, 80, 100, 120. 120 is also multiple of 4, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220. We are coming near, so be careful. 220, after 220 we will get 240, after 240 244, after 244 we will reach to the 248, after 248 that is a 252. So 252 not in the given question. Up to 250 we have to find. So this was the required AP we got. Okay, yes. Now we have to find the sum. So sum find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find the n value first, then we can use the sum of n value. So what is an? Final term. What is the final term they given? 248. So an is equals to 248. What is a value? What is a value? First term 12. What is the difference? 16 minus 12, 4. 20 minus 16, 4. So substitute all the values in the formula. What is an? An is 248, which is equals to, what is a? 12 plus what is n? We have to find that one only. First sum find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ n we don't know, that one only we are going to find. n minus 1. What is d? D is the 4. Okay, then after solving this we will find the n value. 248 which is equals to 12. 4 multiply ಮಾಡಿ, then what you are getting? 4n minus 4. 4n minus 4. Then 248 which is equals to, so 4n ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? What is 12 minus 4? What is 12 minus 4? 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, so 8 na right side send ಮಾಡಿ, then you will get the 248. 8 na right side send ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it become minus 8. 248 minus 8 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತದೆ? 240. 248 minus 8, it become 240, which is equals to 4n, which is equals to 4n. Then 4 na denominator equals 240 divided by 4, which is equals to n. So calculate ಮಾಡಿ, 4 ones are 4, 6 are 24 and 0. So how many terms in this sequence? There are 60 terms. There are 60 terms in this sequence. There are 60 terms. Then we have to find the sum of these 60 terms. Sum of these 60 terms. Ek find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Which formula? Don't waste the time using the first formula Sn, first formula of Sn. Use the second formula of Sn. You'll get easily the answer within under the 20-25 seconds. Okay. Sn. What is Sn? Sn is equals to n by 2 into a first term plus last term. First term plus last term. Okay. So n value. What is n value we got? N value we got 60 divided by 2 into a1. A1 is the first term. What is the first term? 12 plus what is an? An is the last term. 248. Solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 60 divided by 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 30 into 12 plus 248. 12 plus 248 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 260. So everyone tell me the answer. What is 30 into 260? 30 into 260. 30 into 260. Yes, this is about the solution. Okay. Yes. Yes, finally we done the session. Okay, before ending the session, it is very important thing, in important note I should tell you that, so ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಯು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲೋ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಗ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಫೀಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು, ಸರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್. Now I am audible. Now I am audible. Please tell me the answer. Now I am audible. Yes, audible, audible. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, start ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So this was the end of this session. Before end of this session, I am telling you the very important note. So what is that important note? Please admission agi. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? It is very important to tell you that ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಫೀಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯು ಚೂಸನ್ ಎ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವೋ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಡೇಟ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಫೀಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಯು ಚೂಸನ್ ಎ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದರೂ, so faculties are available in the college from morning 6:30 to evening 8:30. And in our college there is a special case. What is the special case? ಡೌಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡೌಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಡೌಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6:30 ಆರ್ 7:30 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 5:30 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರನ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 5:30 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ 1 hour break or 45 minutes break. From 6:15 to 8:15 to 8:30, 2 hours or 2 hours 15 minutes you have a doubt session. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಅವರು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೆನಿ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ 2 years ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಏಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೂ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ವೆದರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವಾತಾವರಣ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ನೀವೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ವೆದರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನೇಚರ್ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇರೋದು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮನೇಲಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್, ಟಿ ವಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಡೈವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಡೈವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 2 years, ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ 2 years ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಡೈವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎವರ್ ಡೈವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ದ session. Okay, yes.